performance, showcasing the drivetrain, the drivetrain technology has been developed specifically for the next generation of BMW vehicles.
And that's what we like to try and say, is the proxy styling of this concept car. You will be seeing it
Looking for more performance. What have we got here?
This is the new engine.
Focused and motivated and sort of confident that I would win the TC.
And go back to your comment when we unveiled it, when you saw the car, we want people to have that reaction. A Jaguar should be a car that when you see it elicits that sort of visceral, emotional reaction. It shouldn't look like anything else out there.
For the next generation of BMW vehicles, the Neue Klasse, which really is providing some huge advantages in technology, developing an astonishable Vision Driving Experience.
Probably, I don't know, 17,000 possibly, but to put that into perspective, a BMW M2CS, which is also in this first glance category, generates 650 Newton meters. I've got to say, I love that front face of it as well. You know, BMW have always been very bold with their design, haven't they? And that's the look of the future. I think it's really gorgeous. And this is going to take on the likes of Porsche, the Porsche electric.
Yeah, this is their first step into taking on those. We just saw a brief glimpse of the BMW.
Round he goes! It's the M3 CS Touring.
Still one more. I like this BMW. We go all over to the
A110, which is but this is LT very much. We've got cars here, and it's broken the record only a few days ago. They can reveal this week. But this big
we're about to see
looking forward to seeing running. Attention from the first class cars